27. Up to date criteria was
Update schedule proper CD was not taken back from our side, Lordship. That's why CD is lying here. So after the CD is required, Lordship.
Item 27, it is submitted that up-to-date CD is not available as the CD received earlier has not been sent back. Hence, CD be sent back
Even in time, Lordship.
and up-to-date CD be submitted by the next date.
8th
Interim order
December.
passed earlier to continue. List again on
8th December. Let it be.
8 December.
Interim is there, my lord. Kindly.
27.
My lord, interim is
8 December.
In time may be continued.
Next date is 8 December.
8 December. So CD may be sent back and update.
Yes, we have to state that.
Hello.
Item number 26. But
Yes.
CD has not been discussed. Maybe taken next week.
CD not received. List again on
Even also in interim. Not
interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of list.
Interim may be continued.
Yes.
Obliged.
May please, Your Lordship. Our list, my lord. That is the IA criminal in anticipated bail, my lord. Order correction, my lord.
Correction.
Yes, my lord.
All right. When?
Yes, my lord.
Huh?
Unlisted, for unlisted.
For?
Unlisted, my lord.
Unlisted when? Today?
Yes, my lord.
Don't know. Huh? Okay. Tomorrow.
Bail,
Mhm.
regular bail.
Yes.
Tomorrow, Lord.
Was it rejected by me earlier?
No, Lordship. Press.
Press. Senior bench.
May I please, Your Lordship? Item number 54.
Yes.
It is not able. Is they not received?
Item?
54.
5-1.
Yes. 5-4.
5-4. 54. The CD not received. List again on.
Interim is any?
Okay. Any interim?
18-11. In no interim.
Yes. Next.
I believe the Lordship. I beg to mention item number 14. Kindly pass over for the day. Item number 14.
1-4.
1-4. Kindly
Okay.
So-
Passed over for the day.
take the matter on 13 November.
Okay. Give the date.
Obliged.
Lordship. Item number 51. Matter.
When do you want?
Case they know.
Next.
CD not received.
Interim orders.
Interim order passed early to.
Excellent. Lordship. In this case, charge sheet is submitted.
Charge sheet submitted.
Matter. Madam will fix any other.
All right. Give that date.
Public. Is the Lordship, I beg to mention item number 43. Is
Just repeat. Not received.
It is not received.
CD not received. List again on.
Lordship, interim is there.
Interim order passed early to continue till the next date of list.
27-11.
Yes. Call up.
Arrested by Lordship, there is in background, there is a lot of their Lordship that it was allegation mainly kidnapping Lordship. And whereas Lordship, the accused person Lordship, they have already lost a FIR. But that hasn't been registered Lordship. Let me kindly turn to page 29 Lordship. Page 33 is the original Lordship. This has been lost on 24/10 against the informant. Thereafter, he lost his FIR Lordship. So, Lordship, while calling the case diary Lordship, kindly some against this FIR lordship status may be.
Call for the CD, also call for status report in respect of
That DCB is lordship dispute. FIR dated 24/10.
in respect of FIR dated 24/10/2025.
Informant,
to
Riyaz
be-
Ahmed Azad.
Said to be lodged by
Riyaz Ahmed Azad.
Riaz Ahmed Azad. At where did you lodge it?
Lordship at DCB office itself. In dispute,
At the
dispute.
DCP East Dispur office. How can you lodge an FIR at the office of the DCP? No police station is there.
No, no, OC refused to accept it, so we have approached him. He was next to lordship the OC. And some civil cases are there against him, lordship, many criminal cases are there.
Alright.
Kindly lordship on Friday, lordship, if possible. It's from dispute police. Civil case is also pending against the informant and the.
Yes, PP, is it possible?
Friday, lordship, kindly.
Friday.
Friday, lordship, along with 3596. Another case is there, lordship, it is
Then
listed in
okay.
different.
All right.
14th.
14. Along with 3596.
BA,
PL.
BA 3, along with BA 359 of 25.
14 lordship.
Eh?
Or 25 lordship.
On 14th.
Much obliged, your lordship. Much obliged.
Please. Lordship, in this case, Lordship, I have been behind the bars for last 7 days. Lordship, allegation, Lordship, wrong restraint, Lordship, and attempt to murder and punishment for voluntary coercion. Therefore, Lordship, CD may kindly be called for, Lord.
Along with the injury report.
It may
Call for the CD along with injury report. List again on
21/11/20.
much Lordship.
Mayor, please, Lordship. My lord, may kindly see FIR page 11. My lord, this is absolutely a false case, and that is lost by police. And my lord, the one accused person has been already granted bail. That is, our 3 persons sit here. We are Amilul, Mukut, and Zabid. Now, Lordship may kindly say FIR. Here is not the names of this only 2 persons, Bikas Assam and Rontu Rani, Rontu Pani Gogoi, Pani Fukon. Now, Lordship may kindly see police has seized an FIR seizure list. Seizure list, Lordship kindly see page 17. We have not corrected at all. Page 17. The following seized exhibit is produced before me by the IO. Inspector Ajay Kumar Saha, C. Bongaigaon PS, in connection with Manipur PS case number so-and-so. Description of seizure item, file number so-and-so. Money received in the name of Gulab Hussain. Amount received 1,000. Date of receipt 18/11/23. Money received issued printed in the name of Bir Lasit Sena. So, Bir Lasit Sena, there is no signature at all. It is not anywhere said that it has been recovered from the possession of the present accused person. Now, kindly see the forwarding report, my lord. For a moment, I draw your lordship's kind attention. Forwarding report, page 12, my lord. And out of this 12, my lord, this Jurnul Islam, page 12, he has been granted by courts below. But we have filed a case before that. He has been granted bail on Saturday. We have filed a case on Friday. So my humble prayer is that while nothing is recovered from us, and we are ordinary men, madam. Only some Lasit Sena people went to our house for their committee purpose.
Where is the bail order?
On case
Well,
14.
bail order is Saturday, it is bail, Saturday, last Saturday. But Lordship may kindly note down my this, if your Lordship
It
on
may
that.
not be,
I can-
there may not
rejection
be
order is
material against him after, it must be
Yeah,
after seeing
yeah,
there is an
rejection.
earlier rejection order.
Yes.
Earlier rejection order is there, but
Hmm.
this
CD.
Jumnul Jumnul Islam, kindly this page number 12, serial number 3.
CD, yes, we have seen enough.
Well, a short that we kindly fix, well, they are innocent pen.
2011 Lordship.
2011 long date, my lord, these are innocent.
At least 10.
persons.
Well, 10 days, how is it
Bongaigaon.
long date? Don't make unnecessary submissions. Yes, next.
My PS bail application. My lord, FIR page number 11. Page number 11.
Yes,
May I read, my lord? It is displayed submitted that on 7/8/25 evening at about time. The below in a push parts on that it was my house in Gilman. That is there.
all right, we'll have the CD.
My lord, this is a family dispute matter, my family dispute matter, my lord.
Whatever, it's a case of grievous injury, we have to
My
see the
lord,
medical
at least,
report.
my lord, protect the petitioner 2 and 3, my lord. There are female person, my lord.
Who?
Wife, and a daughter of the petition number 1, my lord. Petition number 2 and 3, my lord. Female person, my lord. They are suffering many problem. 2 and 3, my lord, at least. Female person, my lord. 2 wife of the petition number 1 and 3 daughter of the petition. At least protect the 2 and 3.
Hard learned counsel for the petitioner.
Yes, Ram.
The petitioner's apprehends arrest in connection with so and so case. Call for the CD. Para, considering the fact that the petitioners number 2 and 3 are the wife and daughter of the main accused and no direct role is attributed to them, it is provided that in the event of their arrest, they shall be released on interim pre-arrest bail of rupees 20,000 each, concealed each, to the satisfaction of the arresting authority in connection with the first case. List again on
2411.
It is also clear bail application. My lord, kindly say, the page number 11, my lord, it's the FIR, my lord. It's a very interesting, my lord. The victim, my lord, informed, my lord, when gave the baby, my lord. That time, my lord, the FIR was lost, at least 16/12/2022, my lord. In that during 2 years, my lord, police never visit our house. Last, my lord, in the month, my lord, last month, the police visit our house, my lord, and got the matter, my lord. My lord, the petitioner is strongly saying that, my lord, he is not involved in this case, my lord. The petitioner even prayed that, my lord, kindly allow for the DNA test, my lord, or paternity test, my lord, because he is not involved in this case. And my lord, the informant, my lord, handicap and also,
it will go for paternity test in a bail application.
my lord, at least he can appear the IO, my lord, for
Allegations are serious.
when the informant gave baby, then the FIR was lost. Before earlier, no allegation mentioned in family member or in connection with the petition. That is, my lord. Lord, I am ready to, my
She is
lord.
not a minor, is she? Not a
No, my
minor.
lord, major.
Major.
Child major, my lord.
There is no allegation of forceful anything. They entered into a relationship, he got pregnant.
I promise to
My lord,
marry.
only 16/12/2022.
Promise to marry and physical
My lord,
marriage.
only 16/12/2022. My
Learned
lord,
counsel
they
for the
said that, my
petitioner
lord,
had
earlier, my lord, it has
additional
happened, my lord,
PP.
one day, my lord. That is, my lord, doubt.
There is an application for pre-arrest bill under so and so in connection with so and so case.
I am ready to appear before the IO, my lord.
As per the allegations, the accused entered into a physical relationship with the petitioner, with the informant girl who is a major, and as a result of such relationship, she became pregnant and delivered a baby. Delivered a baby. Child, yeah, girl child. There is no allegation of any forceful sexual intercourse.
Okay.
Call for the CD, Lisa. Call for the CD. Having regard to the above, same interim 20,000. I go to Senegal.
2511.
In the interim, order to G2.
In the meantime, I may.
Yes.
Oblige.
20,000.
May please your lordship. Here, my lordship has earlier dealt with the matter. That case, lordship might remember page 8 is the affair where there is a allegation of murder, my lord, but the postmortem report and the, my lord, the inquest, my lord, says otherwise there is no injury, nothing, my lord, that case, my lord. Here, all the female members now, my lord, daughter of the main accused who is behind the bars now, my lord, and my lord, his wife, my lord. Inquest report and other, was that there was no injury, nothing, my lord.
Who is the present petitioner?
He there is a 1, 2, 3 are the daughters of Baharul Malad, the main accused number 1, and 4 is the wife. And there is no injury, nothing, my lord. False case. The person died, my lord. There was an enmity, but a person died because of heart attack, my lord. And they have lost the case, my lord.
লিখা আছে নি? বটা মে কোবা মত
No. Same order. Just my the present petition has been preferred by the who?
My lord, the petitioner number 1, 2, and 3 are the daughters of accused number 1.
By the petitioners number 1, 2, and 3, who are the daughters of the
1, 2, and 3 are the daughters.
daughters of Asif Ahmed,
No, my lord, Baharul. Baharul.
daughters of Baharul Islam, the main accused.
And 4 is the wife of Baharul.
Petitioner number 4 is the wife,
The accused number 1.
the said accused. Same order.
আচ্ছা ডিসপোজিট অফ
Yes.
Oblige, your lordship.
এবার মোক মার্ক করে দিবা অর্ডাৰত আকৌ কাৰেকশ্যন দিব আগের মার্ক এটা দি দিব
ইয়েস
and appears is again on Friday.
Yes, 482 application, kindly call for case diary
All right.
from their government.
CD. Give a date. Give a date.
2611.
May it please your lordship. So this is a 482 application and my lord will find the translated and typed copy of the FIR at page 9. My lord, may I kindly see the informant is Sumi Hasnu and the name of the accused is so and so. But the informant is the auntie of the accused person, my lord, from the wife's side. May I read the FIR, my lord? Informant most respectfully beg to state that on so and so at around 8 p.m. the accused person taking advantage of my husband's absence at home entered my house and showed obscene signs to me and to my denial tried forcefully to do wrongful act and grabbed me by putting me down on the floor. At this time my 2 daughters came to know and shouted and cried, because of which the accused person ran away. In respect of the aforesaid incident, Resident Ejahar was submitted before the Lanka police station. It should have been Even after having sufficient evidence regarding the incident, Lanka police did not do necessary investigation. No case has been registered against the accused person, and no steps has been taken against the accused person. Xerox copy of the SR is enclosed herewith. Therefore, it is requested, and the FIR is dated, my lord, 10/9/2025. The incident took place on 2/9. And with all respect, my lord, sections are 62, 64, 62, 64(1), 329(4), and 79. 329(4), my lord is aware, it is house trespass. Bail level 79 is regarding obscene, and 64(1) is regarding punishment for rape, and 62 is for offense which are committed, attempted punishment for attempting to commit offense for life imprisonment. But if my lord have a look at the FIR, my lord, the allegation of rape, my lord, but it is not attracted, my lord, with all respect, my lord, but as far as 79 is concerned, my lord, regarding obscene language and all, it may be said that it is attracted. And my lord, 183.
Anyway, it was rejected after perusing the CD earlier. We'll call for the CD.
2511.
Can it be a bit earlier, my lord?
2111.
Obliged.
As per the instruction of my clan, my lord, I want to
Withdraw on the prayer of Mr.
S. Rahman.
S. Rahman, learned counsel for the petitioner. Petition is dismissed as withdrawn.
Kindly also participate in timing.
Lordship. Lordships, 482 application, Lordships. The allegation is under section 69 of BNS, Lordship. False promise and committing physical relation. The affair may be perused, Lordship, at page 23, Lordship. The affair was lodged by one Runia Khatun on 16/9/2025, September 16. Thereafter, the matter was kept pending by GDNT number 17/9/2025. It was kept pending, and finally on 30/10/2025, the case has been registered after about 1.5 months. And the narration of the affair, Lordship, detail of the case, may I read, Lordship? On 26/9/2024, that is in the year 24, I, so-and-so, was deceived by the accused. This is Inamul Hassan, who is the accused petitioner herein, who made false promises of marriage and love, inducing me into physical relationship. The accused had no intention to fulfilling this promise, causing me emotional, physical. So the cause of action for this FIR arose long back on 26/9/2024 as per the narration law. And thereafter, as per my instruction, since the month of January, the petitioner and the accused has no access to each other. They have broke up with their relationship. There was a love relationship. Broke up, and finally he filed this FIR before.
Heard learned counsel to the petitioner also heard an additional PP decision application under so in connection with so the only allegation in the FIR is that the accused petitioner entered into a physical relationship with the informant girl who is a major in the promise of marriage. There are call for the CD. Having regard to the nature of the allegation is provided that same interim pre-arrest 20,000.
2611.
Lordship, may I pray for interim protection?
Yes, am I not audible?
Obliged.
Yes, Lordship, landlord of the petitioner is petitioner is a tenant of the one of the landlord. One of the petitioner filed in her.
You are the tenant.
I am the tenant.
Uh,
He filed
What
in
happened?
her, and that was not registered, but the general entry was made.
What is the allegation?
Allegation, your Lordship may kindly produce Annex 1, an agreement was
executed between the landowner and the petitioner, Lordship. The paragraph from
Where is the FIR?
FIR not registered, only the GD entry was made.
So. Would you take instruction with
We'll
the
have to
FIR?
take instructions
Okay.
whether any FIR has been registered. It is submitted that a GD entry has been made. Right GD entry number?
Bongaigaon PS GD entry number 37 of dated 5/10/2025.
But it is not known whether any FIR has been registered in the case. Learned additional PP to obtain instructions. Please take it on.
No?
1811.
Most of it.
Sir, may I take you notice the FIR first, matter kindly? That is in page, my lord, 28, my lord. May I read, my lord? It is respectfully, it is my wife has lost this FIR, my lord. It is respectfully submitted that above name accused person is dangerous teacher. I and accused person were studying in the GC college in 2006, and we were known to each other. By the way, we have developed a relationship, and our affair started. An accused used to visit my house often. That after a long courtship, the accused person promised me to marry me, and in the year he made physical relationship with me. So I was not interested to have physical relationship with the accused person. But the accused convinced me and married me at Chalukpara Shiv Temple and accepted me as his wife. I, being simple-minded, believed the accused person, and then accused person kept me in a rented house and used to visit me. I also requested the accused person to take me to his house, but the accused person with different excuses made me understand. And I also, being simple-minded, also believed the accused person. That because of our 14 years physical relationship, I conceived 3 times. And during the first time of my pregnancy, the accused had administered 32 times medicines, and at the time of 3rd pregnancy, I was reluctant to have abortion, but the accused person had threatened me and has done the abortion. That 20 days ago, accused had physical relationship with me for last time, and then I went away to his home, and till today, I have not met him. I came to know that accused person is planning to marry one Priyanka Nath of his village, that due to the aforesaid activities of the accused person, it is evident that the accused has played me by giving a false promise at physical relationship with me. As such, the accused person has defamed me in the eye of society, and as such, accused should be booked for my justice. But according to 376, 417 case or 498A, 313, 328, 506 case was registered against me at Silchar, my lord. Then, my lord, I approached the Honorable High Court, that is page 33. Honorable High Court granted me bail, my lord, absolute clearest bail. Then case was, my lord,
So face the trial.
case was charge sheeted, my lord, 376, 417, my lord. And in the meantime, my lord,
Has
we have
charge
filed
been
a petition
framed?
before the session court
Hmm.
to discharge me because
Hmm.
the wife has expired by that time. And learned session judge,
Which way? The informant?
yes, he died. My learned session judge has directed the OC to call for a death report on 6 occasions. But till today, my lord, that has not been received by the learned session judge. However, charge was framed, that is the page 58, against me 417, 376. And against that, I am before your lordship, my lord. Whether 376 or 417 is maintainable against this case, my lord.
Why could you not
We
get
got
the death
married.
certificate
Yes,
yourself?
because we have got married in the temple. And 20 years we lived.
Who was representing the informant?
None.
Then?
Informant should be heard, Lordship.
Information no more. That is the problem. Expired.
Okay, today we'll call for a report.
Yes. Your lordship,
Heard
well,
learned counsel
if
for
there is further
the
proceeding,
petitioner,
kindly
also
state.
heard learned additional PP. Call for the scanned copy of the TCR. Also call for a report from the OC, which PS?
Silchar,
Silchar PS
it is a charge sheeted case.
as to whether the informant of the case, namely
Informant's name is my lord. Her name
Deepika
is my
Dam.
lord Deepika Dam
Deepika
Kanungo,
Dam Kanungo, resident of
Silchar town.
any specific address?
Specific address is there, my lord. Changkuri Bagan, Silchar.
Just write it down. Has expired. Full list again on.
Well, in the meantime, further proceeding may kindly state only till that date. my lord,
Not
till
date,
that date.
when was charge framed?
My lord, charge was framed, my lord, on 2/9/22, my lord.
And when is the next date?
Next date is, my lord, 1/7/25, next date was there, my lord. Thereafter, of course, I do not know.
Don't appear then. If you don't know, how will you appear?
Latest date, I do not know.
Even
Further proceeding may be state, my lord, till that date, till returnable date, my lord.
no proceeding is going to take place there. No, one date. Who will come to depose?
That's true, my lord. But I have to appear, that's why.
Go and appear. Yes.
আপনার সামনে
1-3.
item 1-3, yes.
All right.
May please, Your Lordship, Arctic case, Lordship, earlier several times call for the scan copy. Today is 154 days behind the bar, Lordship. On bail, Lordship, I face the trial, Lordship. Dated is 15 months, Lordship, for production of fish. Several times, Lordship, called for the
So what to do now?
face the trial, Lordship.
Huh?
On bail, Lordship, the petitioner, I face the trial, Lordship.
You will have to lodge. It's not that you will.
What is your other option?
The Lordship, the several times call for the Honorable Court's Lordship, till that not Lordship receive the scan copy. Lordship, the case is committed, Lordship, the session court.
Then the case record should be in sessions court. That is why it has not come from Museum Kamrup.
The Lordship, the session case number 178. Lordship.
It is submitted by learned counsel for the petitioner that the case has already been committed to the Court of Sessions Kamrup Metro
Metro.
and registered as
Session case number 178, public 2025 in the Code of Additional Litigation Session, that's number 1.
slowly.
Lordship, the session case number 178, 2025 in the Code Lordship Additional
Which is pending in the court of the additional session judge.
number 1.
Huh?
Number 1.
Number 1. Hence call for the scanned copy of the PCR from the court of the additional set
Friday.
just number 1 Kamrup Metro list again on. Yeah,
Seven.
David it.
Audit me given Lordship already 154 days.
Preference just 10 days make. Next, yes.
Petitioner was arrested on 14/9. This 58 days, almost 2 months he's behind the bar.
What is the offense? Statutory period is
90 days. But FIR is 9 months.
it is not available.
If there is,
Received.
the FIR, she stated that she is a married woman, 29 years old, and the present person also married and my lord. On 4/9/2025, at about 6 p.m., the present petitioner said that he will take her to the Aadhaar card to link with the voter ID. Accordingly, she came with the present petitioner. And the present petitioner did not go to the office. And she was taken to the native village and some place forcefully committed rape. It is the case, my humble submission, the first that she stated, page 10, that 6 p.m. the any Aadhaar card office is not open, very unfortunate, 6 p.m. perhaps it is a night, and FIR also lost after 5 days, and she is a married lady, she knows everything, which is her bad, but fact is that the present petitioner and his wife has a good relation with the informant, they are the friend, they are working in the same company, and some dispute with his wife, and on the day of alleged incident, there was a altercation and there is physical assault by the both sides, the present petitioner being the husband, he take part in his wife's side, and after 5 days of that incident,
Yes,
this story, prepared in 5 days.
They had the petitioner and his wife, my lord, and the victim girl, they worked in the same company, my lord. They worked in an alcohol company, my lord. Now, my lord, on that day, my lord, as per her 183 statement, my lord, went with her in this person to update her Aadhaar card, my lord, to link her Aadhaar card. And my lord, the accused person, my lord, the victim, where my lord, some house, my lord.
Same story as in the FIR.
Yes.
Same story.
Yes, same isolated house, my lord. He consumed beer, my lord, along with 3 other friends, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, his friend left, my lord. Then the allegation is that, my lord, he committed rape. Although, my lord, in his statement, he said that, my lord, the physical relationship was consensual.
Six p.m. Aadhaar card office is not up. He's saying that 6 p.m. the petition of Aadhaar card being taken. He will face the trial maybe about 2 months.
Okay, let us go through the entire CD.
Yes, my lord.
This next.
I'm blessed.
17, my lord, case diary not received.
Lordship, CD is not received. Lordship, it's search sheeted. Yes, Lordship. I have submitted a search sheet, Lordship. And I am in judicial custody for more than 140 days, Lordship. Lordship,
103 is there. Scan copy of CD.
Really fixes sort of.
Scan copy of PCR not received. Issue reminder for submission of the scan copy of the TCR as well as the CD. Yeah, given. Date. Received.
18, my lord, case diary not received, my lord.
Look, I'm behind the bar. In 67 days, you lost.
This from Mongoldo PS, my lord, we can fix it on this week itself,
All right, Friday.
my lord.
They did not receive list again on 14.
14,
On Friday.
Friday. 19 case diary is
Injury report.
injury report yet to receive, my lord.
It's a very unfortunate incident, Your Lordship. It's a fight between two friends. And unfortunately, the ear was bitten. I can only pray, Your Lordship, the preliminary investigation may have been over by now. And he is behind the bars for the last 50 days. The custody retention may not be necessary. Otherwise, it's a very unfortunate incident.
Where is the FIR?
The FIR is starts at page 12, Your Lordship. The 11th portion is at page 15, Your Lordship. May I read? I, Biswajit Das, am a student of first year law in Guwahati University. I am presently residing at RK Boys PG, which is located at house number 3, Violet number 3, Coronia. I am preparing for judicial examination for last. I was overwhelmed when grief when I received the news of death of our heartthrob artist Zubin Garg. I became extremely emotional and I spent the entire day with, and under such circumstances around 11:30 p.m. at night, while I was having my dinner in the petty Mayolos, who was already in an intoxicated condition, drank liquor from the fridge of the Deputy Das had secretly made a video when my friend Kaishadhar I was in a semi-naked condition time and I was wearing my college. I requested to delete the video. When I came to know that he had made the same, he deleted the video. However, he attacked me in an condition that the same had hurt his ego. He snatched away my mobile and took the same to the PG host. He made a sharp remark that by bringing some other boys, he will beat me by making. He had insulted and threatened. He had beaten up the lower part of my ear, and after speaking, had thrown up the same. The lower portion was completely torn. There was overbleeding in my ear. I am having difficulty in here. There will be an interruption in my classes in performance. As I am a there will be loss in my. I received physical permanent amputation as well as great mental injury. The piece of ear which torn away is kept as. I will like to mention the section of law which we attracted with respect to the incident which occurred with me in order to get justice for my permanent. I'm not reading those sections, Your Lordship. He had made a prayer asked in for half Your Lordship. It prayed that FIR may be registered against the accused. If duty does under proper sections of law and after investigation has lawful action be taken. It is for your information that after the incident I am guest room. Moreover, I am totally disturbed with the destruction of the I am praying that you kindly provide me justice for a permanent implementation of a part of my duty. I pray for justice.
I think he has spent enough time. 21-9.
51 days, my lord. Otherwise, there are sufficient materials, my lord. There are also eyewitness. He has also implicated me.
What is the point now? Detaining.
My lord, my submission without the medical report. My It's a
Medical report,
yes or-
even if admitted,
Yes, admitted.
bitten off a part of the ear, but he's also a student.
Yes, yes, sir.
Is he also appearing for judicial service? Hard Learned Counsel for the additional PP. This is application in connection. Case. The facts of the case briefly stated is that both the petitioner and the accused are residents of a PG hostel and both are students. On the night after the demise of singer Zubin Garg, altercation took place between them in an inebriated condition. When they were in an inebriated condition, as a result, the accused caused injuries upon the informant victim and which included biting off a part of the earlobe of the informant pursuant to lodging of the FIR, the petitioner was arrested on 21/9/25, and by now he has spent 52 days,
51 days.
51 days in custody. They are having regard to the nature of the allegations, further detention of the and the progress of the investigation, nature of the investigation, further detention of the petitioner is not considered necessary accordingly. Prayer for bail is allowed. The so and so shall be released on bail of rupees 20,000 with one surety for like amount the satisfaction of the learned Lata magistrate connection with the affidavit. It is further provided that the petitioner shall cooperate with the investigation, shall not try to intimidate or influence the witness. Petition stands allowed and disposed of accordingly.
I'm very grateful, Your Lord.
20 investigation completed, my lord, searches submitted.
Submit,
20.
submitted is but, 73 days behind the bar,
Sahida.
73 days behind the bar. No, to state one thing, my lord, the church filed, my lord. But this.
We can either call for the PCR or you can appear there.
No, it searches this.
Church-
So what do you want?
Lord, your lordship will go through this order, my lord. Don't know how the court has filed the charge sheet without the statement of the informant. After recording the statement.
After this, what happened?
He is in the jail custody, my lord. And the charge.
As
sheet
he
has been-
should be,
Yes, my lord, and charge sheet has been filed, my lord.
as he should be.
Charge sheet has been filed, my lord. So I'll approach the court, my lord, below.
I'll let you approach there.
I'll, lordship will consider that as.
We'll only say we will approach the
my
court.
lord,
What else is to be done?
My lord, this is a business library, my lord.
We
Because
are not concerned
that
with
is why
that.
they are
What
not-
is the allegation here now?
My lord, they are not, that is why they are not.
They are arrested in connection with their conduct before the magistrate or in respect of the FIR.
FIR, my lord, because they are not giving the statement when they are called for.
No, FIR is with regard to a
By
different.
the lady and the witness, the police has, judicial magistrate has called them for recording the statement. And they are leaving the court, my lord. They are not complying with the magistrate order. So that shows, my lord, that is incomplete, whatever may be, my lord, I will approach the court. That for bail.
The petition, learned edition AP submits. Charge sheet has already been submitted in the case White CS number.
CS number 226/2025, dated 23/10/2020.
submitted by learned counsel for the petition, that is, the petitioner shall approach the learned trial court and apply for bail. Accordingly, it is provided that as and when bail application is made before the learned trial court, the same shall be considered as law. Bail application is disposed of accordingly.
Oblige, your lordship.
Probably, sorry, I have to get it item 6 months. Or for some family issue, but I to visit hospital in thing, so I don't 6 months. But the matter is very urgent. Sometimes, yes. Because the
Yeah,
police are harassing us without
Yes, you
decision of
can
FIR, my lord. The land dispute, the purely civil nature of dispute, my lord. Land dispute, but the police is harassing us, my lord, for some days, my lord.
All right,
My
come back on
petition-
Friday then.
Petition number 2 is a heart patient, my lord. Recently, heart operation was completed, my lord.
We can't keep going back.
My lord,
Fixed on Friday, you come on Friday.
inch of justice, my lord, matter may kindly be taken. After some time, my lord.
It's sent back.
After completion of, my lord, list. After completion of today's list, my lord.
We can't keep sending people running around everywhere.
My lord, for the inch of justice, my lord. Otherwise,
Nah, sorry.
my lord, tomorrow in the supplement. At least tomorrow, my lord.
We'll call the next one, we'll see.
May I please your lordship, item number 65, 66 and 67, all these are connected matters, lordship, raising out of the same FIR. Lordship, the conducting counsel on Lex, I humbly pray this.
So 21 case diary not received, my lord. My lord, it was, again, my lord, it was received, my lord, but we have returned to, my lord, returned to the police station, my lord, and for up-to-date case diary, my lord.
After
May
that
not be
CD
received.
not received, interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing. List again on.
26/11, man.
Yes.
In this, is there is no
22 case diary not received.
Same order.
interim matter. I know.
Received.
Case diary not received, my lord.
All right. Same order. Same order.
28/11, my lord.
Received.
Case diary not received, my lord.
Same order.
28/11.
Maybe.
Yes.
Lords. No, 25 is a series, my lord. So we have already given the item number, my lord, which are arising out of the same police station case. So
So-
this matter maybe call up together number.
The CD is received. Yes, call up all the others also then. After, are the other councils there?
Yes, there is.
All are there.
Any matter.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Last together.
Give us the list of the items so that. Have it. This one also.
Your lordship directly. At the
25. This is 25. And which others?
25, then 33 to 39.
25, 29, 30.
25,
25,
29.
29, 30, then 31 to 40, my lord.
And 40.
31 to 40,
All right.
then 42, then 45 to 50,
Yes.
then 53 and 56.
After 50?
After 50, my lord, 53 and 56.
56.
53, 53 and 56.
Okay. All are here? Barbuya is here, Decca is here.
Yes, my lord. Tagged.
Eh?
Convenient, my lord. Tagged.
Yes, maybe take together, my lord, and they come. And on the last
Okay.
occasion, my lord, a query was made, my lord.
All
Only
right,
that
this
portion will be open to order.
item 25, it is submitted that this case arises out of the same FIR,
CID PS case number, my lord,
that is
15 oblique
CID
2025.
case number as you give these item numbers, okay? Case numbers you give against the item numbers, give her the list of the item numbers. Hence, take all the cases together and list again on.
Any day, Lordship, as you.
28, my lord.
Yes,
Interim order maybe.
there is interim order in all the cases.
Yes, Lord.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue. Then in rest of the cases, you write in view of order passed in AB 1983 of 2025. List again on same date. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of all the other cases you give that up.
Obliged.
Yes,
Item number 42, Lordship, there is no interim. There is interim. Some interim order will be passing because the court was that day was of the view that though they have not qualified for the interview, so they may not require any secretary bail. But they, everything has been released. The marks.
item 42.
Item 42.
All right, item 42, you finally write that in view of the fact that in all the connected cases, interim protection has been granted. It is provided that no coercive action shall be taken against the petitioner, the instant case, till the next date of list. Yes, next.
That's all.
Not
28, my lord, case that is not received, my lord.
Yes, same order, interim to continue.
There is an interim order in this. Hello.
Received?
My lord, case that is not received, my lord, there is an intimation, my lord, paying for some time by the IO.
Same order.
The interim order may be continued.
Yes, interim to
My lord, case that is, my lord, on 24, my lord.
20.
Achoo.
Lordship, kindly pass over the matter for time. Senior is on legs on, but
Received?
relax.
We have not received the criteria.
My lord, may I plead, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, actually, I did not get a single opportunity to tell my side of the story, my lord. The informant has had ample of opportunities to tell his side of the story. Therefore, my lord, with your permission, I'd like to briefly tell the matter, my lord. My lord, what happened is that the informant had
What do you mean you did not have opportunity?
my lord, in the on the last occasion, my lord, since the CD had not arrived, I was not allowed to make my representation, my lord.
Really?
Yes, my lord. Therefore, my lord, I do understand that the course time is very valuable, my lord. It'll only take me 3 minutes, my lord, to tell the story in brief. So, my lord, basically the thing is that I'm in no way involved in the altercation, my lord. And still the police has made me party to the FIR, my lord. My lord, I was a bystander, my lord. Our shop is around 25 meters away from the place of incidents, my lord. And out of curiosity, I had gone to see what the commotion was, my lord. And when the police came, they found me they found me there since I run a shop nearby only, my lord. My shop is 25 meters away, my lord. So I did not get any opportunity to tell my side of the story, my lord. And I'm being continuously harassed, and I'm on the run.
So the court is at fault.
No, my lord, I did not say that, my lord.
You keep repeating that you were not granted an opportunity to tell your side of the story. What does that mean?
I did not get an opportunity, my lord. Therefore, my lord, all I wanted was to just tell the story on behalf of the petitioner, my lord, only once, my lord.
But so far it's only a story.
My
We
lord,
have to go by the FIR
This
now.
is also a story only, my lord. All the sections that have been narrated here, my lord, it has not been proved only, my lord. The investigation is still going on, my lord, and I know it for a fact from the report of the eyewitnesses that I did not partake in the incident in any sort of manner, my lord. Out of curiosity only, I was there, my lord. Since if something happens nearby, my lord, if
So
there's
you were privy to the statements of the eyewitnesses already.
my lord, there were a lot of eyewitnesses, lord. And the others who were eyewitnesses, they have been named in the FIR only. The marketplace is empty now because all the shopkeepers have been named in the FIR, my lord, and all of them have been arrested and also released on bail, my lord, because the injury is simple in nature, my lord. I did not
received a case diary, so
my lord.
this injury part lordship cannot
It's
You have
simple
received a
injury, my
case
lord.
diary.
not receive the
As
case
per
diary.
the order of my lord,
We cannot say about the injury. What is the injury?
my lord says as per the
You say others have been released on bail. Where are
Yes.
the orders?
yes, my lord. Others have been released, my lord.
Where are the orders?
Yes, my lord. It is annexure 2, my lord. Just one moment, my lord. My lord, if I may kindly direct your attention towards annexure 2, my lord, the second page, my lord.
Page
Eh,
number.
My lord, this is the order, my lord. They have,
Page number.
my lord, page number 20, my lord. The order, my lord. Like 4 people were arrested, my lord, and they have already got bail, my lord. They're being granted bail, my lord. And as my lord, on the second page, my lord, page number 21, in the third paragraph, my lord, it has been mentioned that the injuries were simple in nature, my lord. And my lord, all this story, my lord, it has been it is sort of a preemptive this thing because the informant had used derogatory terms against the people, my lord, the shopkeepers, my lord, and so before the shopkeepers could complain about that, he did that before him, that he was abused and all of that, my lord.
But he is on release on bail. He is on custody.
Hmm?
The person released on bail, he was on custody, lordship.
Yeah, but it does appear from the order passed by the learned session judge that the injuries are simple in nature.
Yes, my lord.
So, hard learned counsel for the petitioner.
At least
had
interim protection
done
may be given, my lord.
Additional PP. CDS called for has not been received. As per the allegation, on 14/8/25, the informant parked his motorcycle at the marketplace, and in the meantime, the accused and other persons attacked him and his mother and tore off the wearing dress of the mother and physically assaulted him and his mother. Full stop. My attention has been drawn to the order dated 8/9/25 passed by the learned passengers Borbetta, wherein criminal miss bail case number 136 of 2025, whereby bail was granted to the co-accused Amir Hamza. Full stop. On perusal of the said order, it appears that upon perusal of the injury report, the learned court, learned court of sessions has recorded that the injuries were simple in nature and caused by blunt object. Para is further submitted by learned counsel appearing for the petitioner that the present petitioner was simply a bystander. Being the owner of a nearby shop
Yes, my lord. 25 meters away, my lord.
located about 25 meters away. Para, having regard to the aforesaid facts as well as the nature of the injuries as reflected in the aforesaid order, the prayer for bail is, prayer for pre-arrest bail is allowed. It is provided that the petitioner so and so shall be released on pre-arrest bail is 20,000 at one security like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority in connection with the affidavit. Further provided that the petitioner shall appear before the IO within a period of 7 days from today for the purpose of recording of his statement. It is also provided it is shall cooperate with the investigation and shall not try to influence or intimidate the witness. Petitions allowed as a
Obliged, my lord.
It is charge sheet submitted. Charge sheet submitted, non-appears from the petitioner side.
Additional PP submits that charge sheet has already been submitted in the case by CS number
283/25 dated 7/10/25.
1725. None appears for the petition. What to do?
Dispose of let him appear before the trial court.
Petitioner may
not in
appear
any-
before the learned trial court and apply for regular bail if so advised, which shall be considered by the learned trial court as per law. Petition stands disposed of accordingly.
This means we have not received the case diary. IO made a prayer for another date.
So he did not receive the interim order passed earlier to continue
This is an interim notice.
till the next date of
25/11.
Received. I think because of this series, we have gone too fast. People are not expecting that we are in item 50s now.
It's coming.
After some time. The last one also you keep a call up after some time. Councils may not be expecting that we have reached this item so fast.
Also, same prayer charge sheet submitted.
Let call up the items, let nobody is appearing, then keep it. This is 60. What about the other, these bail hearings? That is also time being, I think, 65, 60. Time being. Yes, PP, what is this matter about?
Lordship, as per the office note dated 6/11/25, neither AD card nor unserved notice. Washing of the FIR, Lordship. Washing of
This is your
FIR
POCSO?
complaint and charge sheet.
POCSO? What?
Six. It is Swati Vidha. Box.
What happened to the VC? Not there. Which is the screen? Anyway, it's not, service is not complete, so anyway, we have to wait. As per office note, service on the respondent's number. 2 is not yet complete. Place the matter again on. Yes, give a date.
Your Honor, here in this matter, one senior from the Supreme Court will be appearing. Today in the morning, I have collected the link, but the link seems to be some defaulting.
But anyway, service is not complete on the respondent.
Yes, we will take a fresh step. In the meanwhile, Your Honor may just, your Lordship may just continue with the interim, extend the interim.
Yes, interim order passed earlier to continue. It is not to take fresh steps.
Right?
25/11.
11. Deeply observed.
Applicable. Here, what has happened? There was a stay in the investigation.
Apologies, my lord, for the interruption. Apologies, my lord. My lord, we have not received the copy of the interlocutory application in this matter. And there is an additional affidavit been filed, my lord. If
You are
one,
appearing for?
I am appearing for the respondent, my lord, private respondent on behalf of my senior Mr. A. Goel, my lord.
We have served a copy to them, Lordship.
My lord, however,
We
the
have
sa-
served a copy to them. I personally had a talk with Mr. Goel. He asked me to serve it to his clerk, and we have served it to his clerk. You have to collect it. What can we do?
apologies, my lord, but we have not received, my lord. If one day, if accommodation may be granted to us, and my lord will,
In that case,
and
Lordship,
copy of IA may be given to us.
provide you with copy.
Where is
Yes,
your,
Lordship.
where is your receipt?
Lordship,
We only have the PP's receipt here.
Lordship, we have filed it to them 3-4 days back, Lordship. I will serve a copy to him, Lordship. I'll serve a copy to him by the course of today itself.
Senate counsel appearing for respondent number.
Respondent number 2, my lord.
Submit
Private
that the
respondent.
copy of the IA is not available with him. Will not say that you have not served, will simply say will not available with him. Learned counsel for petitioner to supply extra copy to learned counsel for the respondent number 2.
Lordship, this
And what about additional affidavit? Something.
My lord, we have received the additional affidavit.
Copy of additional affidavit has been received by
25/11 in the code below, Lordship.
respondent.
Yes. Is fixed on 25/11 before the code below, Lord.
For
What
what?
they have done, Lordship, pending the stay order of the investigation, they have filed a charge sheet violating the stay order. So, Lordship, we will file this IA. It is fixed on 25/11 before the code below. If it can be fixed before that, Lordship.
All right, fix it on a date before 25/11.
25/11,
Much obliged.
21/11.
Deeply obliged.
Service report is awaited upon respondent. We have taken steps.
Service on respondents number 2 and 3 not yet complete. List again on. May I please, your lordship? This is the application under section 482 of DNS, your lordship. FIR is at page 19, your page 15, your lordship.
Just a minute.
Registered under section 9 and 89 of DNS.
Yes, page.
Page 15, your
Vernacular one.
vernacular one. সম্মানপূর্বক মে আই রিড ইউর লর্ডশিপ সম্মানপূর্বক বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে আজিৰ পৰা প্ৰায় 2.5 বছৰ আগে সাসপেন্ড আহমেদৰ লগত মোৰ থাকি তাৰ পাছতে মোৰ প্ৰেম আমি জালুকবাৰী এটা ভাড়া ঘৰত একেলগে থাকিব লওঁ এই অৱস্থাত তাৰ লগত থকাত মোক নানা প্ৰলোভন দি
Okay, so you are running away from her, so keep running away from the police also for some more days.
69 and 89 will not come. Your lordship will kindly see she is not specific. Whether your lordship, where that has taken place, yes, your lordship, we had a relation, your lordship. But your lordship, the fact that I did not marry her, your lordship, that cannot be say, your lordship, that is 69 will be attracted, your lordship. That for 3 years she is 2 years admittedly she is with me, your lordship, on the face of the affair. Your lordship may call for the case there, your lordship, and in the meanwhile some protection, your lordship, because your lordship, even when she says, your lordship, to attract section 89, that there is a forced miscarriage, that will have to be forced miscarriage, your lordship. That is also not there, your lordship, that it's forced. He is a adult, your lordship. He has probability consent, and in fact I am not aware about this, your lordship. I have made a specific averments in my petition, and so far as
Not aware about pregnancy.
pregnancy, I am aware that I have mentioned, but that is not, that so far as the second part is concerned. And it's I have my categorical statements is that pregnancy is not from my side, your lord. And your lordship will, there must be some specific materials here, your lordship, where you have that miscarriage has, that abortion had taken place, your lordship, that is also not there. When it had taken place, that is also not there, your lordship. Simply on your lordship's statement, since I did not marry her, your lordship, this affair came, your lordship. Consensual.
I'd learn counsel for the petitioner also, Lord. Will not need additional PP decision. So the allegation as reflected in the FIR involves a relationship between the petitioner, who is a, how old is she?
Your lordship is major, your lordship.
Who is a major?
Your lordship also is
Informant who is a major. The petitioner. The result of which the informant got pregnant, also had undergone abortion. It is committed by Connect. The parties were in a long relationship over 3 years.
lordship, around
3 years. And the same was a consensual one. Call for the CD. There are provided in the interim. Event of same interim periods. 20,000.
deeply obliged.
Conditions, give the condition.
What if they don't, they're the husband and wife. And they have prayed this for quashing the proceeding, lord. If the
affair for which the case has been charged and subsequently lordship cognizance of taken at page 10 lordship. Start from 11. Married lordship.
Yes.
Yes. Page 11 lordship. Sir, I would like to inform you that I am a resident of village so and so under your protection jurisdiction. There, sir, I have noticed a fact that one of the persons, namely Dazut, son of so and so, resident of so and so, district so and so, Mankas, sir, had recently married a young girl who, as per my information, below permissible age of. I have personally inquired the age of the bride, and I have been informed that at the age of the girl is below 18 years. I have collected the name and address of the girl, which are as followed. Name so and so. I have learned that the girl is presently pregnant, not tick mark. As per my information, the girl was married by taking advantage of her for family condition, and he might be married by inducement. Further, I am also informed that the marriage took place in a traditional manner in presence of relatives of both the victim girl and the groom, and the marriage was performed by local Qazi. Therefore, I request you, sir, to take cognizance of the matter and necessary legal action against the accused persons involved in the legal child marriage be taken as follows. Lordship, thereafter the charge sheet has been submitted. I would like to read one paragraph just, Lordship. That is page 14, Lordship. Page 14, the last paragraph I would like to read, Lordship. Page 1.
What is the date of occurrence?
Lordship, they are already married. As per my instruction, Lordship, the petition number 2 here, he got married when he was not the age of 18 years, above 18. That is the main allegation. Because of technicalities, Lordship. the
Is
copy
there any
is-
date available when she got married?
Lordship, that is why I would like to point it out, Lordship. Paragraph number, page 14, Lordship. Last paragraph I would like to read, Lordship. During the course of investigation, the complainant and the witness are already examined and their statement are recorded under section 161 CRPC, and the PO is visited. Rough case map of the PO is drawn in separate sheet. House of the affair accused were visited but found them absent at their house. Birth certificate of the alleged victim and MCTS card of the alleged victim also searched, from which it learned that the date of birth of the alleged victim girl is 2005, and she gave birth a baby on 28/1/2023. That is, on the date of giving birth of the baby, the girl is attained the age of 17 years, 11 months, 3 days. So, Lordship, admittedly, Lordship, there is a few months short to her marriage, Lordship. But subsequently, it is not disputed, Lordship. They're living with a happy family, with a blessed with a child, Lordship. So, Lordship, in the interest of justice, Lordship, the proceeding, Lordship, may be passed. Otherwise, Lordship, if he got convicted, Lordship, will suffer, Lordship. Ultimately, the victim and the child, they will ultimately suffer, Lordship. Also, in similar circumstances, this Honorable High Court in some also was like one husband. So, very recent judgment Lordship delivered from the apex court, Lordship, wherein also Lordship, the view was taken
for considering the lordship, the happy life, the couple lordship, not in other aspects. That judgment I have also kindly, brother.
Who is the informant in this case?
Lordship informant, I did not make him part. It was him is represented. So Deepak Nair is must have complied with.
Victim is represented by whom?
Lordship, she herself is major in she is a
He is a party,
party, yes.
joint petition.
Yeah, joint petition.
It will pass orders.
Okay. God bless.
Wait, please, Lordship.
Give this in chamber.
Lordship, the wife, this is a case of abatement to suicide, my lord. The wife committed suicide. The husband was arrested and the husband got bail, my lord. And before your lordship is the mother-in-law, sister-in-law, and the brother-in-law of the petitioner. They were granted interim protection. They appeared. Their statement have been recorded. And even the statement of the prime accused having been recorded, your lordship granted bail. This is the husband, my lord.
CD is available today.
It is available.
Maybe something between the husband and the wife, the family members, my lord. Usually domestic cases, my lord, family members are dragged, my lord. Even the brother-in-law who works somewhere in Upper Assam, Jorhat, he is also dragged. Sister-in-law, they are working in banks.
Sir, if I look into the CD, Lordship, otherwise their statements are recorded. However, only one thing is there, Lordship. Otherwise, that her mother's name is also there. 183 statement is there. And she stated that demanding of dowry, Lordship, land and ornament. Otherwise, Lordship, their statements are there.
Sir, omnibus vague allegations, my lord. No, nothing
Within
specific,
7 years.
nothing specific whose demand of dowry, just to bring home the sections. And after interim order, my lord, they have abided by the conditions. They went to the police station twice, my lord. They are local residents of the place. Veracity of everything will be proven. Well,
It heard. Learned counsel for the. Huh? What is that?
183.
Order dated 5/9/25. There are 2. 5/9/25. There are 3. There are 4. CDS called for has been received. It appears therefore that petitioners pursuant to interim protection granted by this court have appeared before the IO and their statements have been recorded. Learned additional PP with reference to the case diary points out that there is some material with regard to demand for dowry against the petitioner number
The
mother-in-law.
mother.
Take book. It is which is mother is petitioner number
1.
One.
Is petition number one, my lord.
Ruby, lordship. Yes.
Sarah. Having
Ruby,
regard to the fact that the main accused has already been granted bail and petition statements have also been recorded. Considering the progress of the investigation as revealed by the PD, the custodial interrogation of the petitioners may not be necessary. Accordingly, the prayer for free arrest bail is allowed. The
I'm deeply
order
obliged,
of interim free arrest bail dated 5/9/25 is hereby made absolute on the same conditions.
I'm deeply obliged.
Send back the CD.
Item number 55, I could not appear because I was on lake in another court.
Them?
The charge sheet already filed, lordship, and your lordship directed to appear before the trial court, lordship. My name may be recorded and I may be protected, lordship.
Item number
55.
Charge sheet submitted.
we have passed order. Only your name is required to be recorded.
Till then, lordship, protection granted. I am ready to appear and the
Who has taken 55?
girl is already recovered, lordship.
You have taken.
55. Statement recorded, girl is recovered.
Hard.
MK new.
Rest of state charge sheet is submitted. And submitted. That appear with turn a trial court and apply for regular bail. Accordingly, the petition closed up with the observation that the petition may approach the learned trial court in the event of any application bail be filed. The same may be considered as per law till such date. You say within a period of 15 days. Period till such period. There is an interim order.
No, lord.
Till that date, the petitioners in the event of their arrest will is period 20,000 each. That is the testing of just as was the body.
Obliged, lordship.
May it please, your lord. Like here, my lord, three brothers are named in the FIR, my lord. Case 9 is the FIR. Three own brothers, my lord.
Page?
Case 9. It means that there was a relation. Lady, my lord, the petitioner number 1. Lady is a married lady, my lord. He has 3 children, my lord, living in the same room. The same room, my lord. Admitted there was a number 1 and lady, my lord. But there was admittedly there was a relationship.
CD received.
CD received.
But a medical report will prove everything, my lord. There is no any happened, my lord. That
If you look into the roles of different people, lordship, I want to state here that in her statement, lordship, if I look into her statement, it has been seen that, lordship, this person, accused number 1, Jamaluddin, he has committed the rape. And these other 2 persons, after the rape has been committed, lordship, this brother 2 persons came to that place, and this one person, the Jamaluddin, the person who has committed rape, lordship, he has forgotten the mobile and sandal. and they have come to take that lot. This 2% and Degard. These things, they come to.
The present petitioner is the
Three are there.
all three are there.
All three are there. First petitioner is the main lordship.
Main one.
And these 2 persons came to the place and they tried to, and they also assault them.
Lordship, may kindly see, my lord, whether there is any medical report. My lord. Nothing happened, my lord. The lady, my lord, was sleeping with her 3 children in the same room. Apparently, they are neighbors, my lord. My lord, there was a relationship, my lord. But my lord, only to save her skins here, they lost their medical report will, my lord, that something happened.
Lordship, I'm on
Regarding
behalf
the
of,
petition number 2 and 3, there is
informant.
nothing.
Yes.
my lord, as stated by the petitioner's advocate, my lord, there is no previous relationship. There was some land dispute, my lord. There is no relationship between the petitioner number 1 and the victim, informant. There was previously land dispute there. For that, my lord, the accused number 1 midnight committed the rape with showing dagger. When my lord showing dagger and saying, I will kill you, and if you ready to do physical relationship, then you will be left out. Then my lord, victim ready to do physical relation. Then my lord, when the accused person do the same, do physical relation, then the dagger and mobile phone were on bed, and the lady escape herself to save herself, attack the accused number 1 on private parts. There was no previous relationship. Thereafter, my lord, the 2 brothers, accused number 2 and 3, come to the house of the informant and physically assaulted and tried to take away the dagger and mobile phone and sandals. My lord. Thereafter, my lord, what happened? After registering this case, my lord, the accused number 1 nowhere be found, but the accused number 2 and 3, my lord, openly roaming, they are threatening. Now the victim, my lord, informant victim, is out of his house, out of her house, and taking shelter at safe place with 2 children. My lord, on another complaint filed by the informant before the Commandant Police Morigaon in the same incident, my lord. Married, my lord. অভিযোগকারীর সম্মানপূর্বক বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে 2 ইংরাজি 2/9/2025 তারিখে উক্ত অভিযোগকারীয়ে নিম্নলিখিত আসামিগণৰ বিৰুদ্ধে লাহারিঘাট থানাত এখন এজাহাৰ দায়ের করে। এজাহারখনি থানায় পোৱাৰ পিছত 4/9/2025 তারিখে লাহারিঘাট PS কেস নম্বর 186/2005 নম্বর পঞ্জীভুক্ত করে। 2 ইংরাজি 10/9/2025 তারিখে থানায় নিম্নলিখিত 3 নং আসামিক অ্যারেস্ট করি থানাত আবদ্ধ করে রাখি এরি দিয়ে। তাহলে নন ভেলিবল সেকশন নন ভেলিবল। হ্যাঁ, নিম্নলিখিত 2 নং আসামি সেম ডে হৈরাদি ভুক্তভোগীর তাইর ঘরত প্রবেশ করে প্রাণে হত্যা করিব বলে they take dagger and run after the victim. Then victim escape and sheltered in safe place. And husband is out of state for they're working as a laborer. বর্তমান বাকি আসামিগণে অস্ত্র লৈ মুকলিভাবে ঘোরাফেরা কৰি আছে, যাৰ বাবে ভুক্তভোগীয়ে বৰ্তমান নিজ ঘৰ এৰি সন্তান সহ একে গাঁৱৰে তাইৰ বৰ্জনা ৰমজানালীৰ ঘৰত আশ্ৰয় লৈ থাকিবলগীয়া হৈছে। যিহেতু সন্তান 3জনৰ পাঠদানৰ পৰা বিৰত থাকিব লগা হৈছে, থানাই কোনো ধৰণৰ গুৰুত্ব আৰোপ কৰা নাই। বাকি আসামিকেইজনক কৰায়ত্ব কৰিব পৰা নাই। আসামিগণৰ মুখৰ পৰা শুনা মতে সিহঁতে থানা মেনেজ আছে বুলি প্ৰকাশ্যে ভাবুকি দিয়ে। প্ৰকাশ থাকে যে 5/9/2025 তাৰিখে আমি ঘৰত নথকা সুযোগ লৈ আসামিগণে ঘৰৰ বস্তু বাহিনী ভাঙিছে। গতিকে
That day, my lord, our children was there. There was, when lordship can kindly tell with the medical, there is nothing happened. Nothing happened. Medical report will everything. My lord. Our children was in the same room, my lord, same bed. Grown up children, my lord.
My lord, now, for now, my lord, there is a danger for my life. the family members, they are
Grown
threatening.
up children, where do we get that from?
But he,
How old they?
he has submitted, my lord, now, my lord. And we have stated in our petition, we know, my lord. We have categorically stated. In my lord, paragraph 3, page 4. He has also submitted his children there. Paragraph 3, my lord, we have categorically stated.
What is there in the medical report?
Firstly, I want to state here, Lordship, medical was done on 3 days after Lordship. It was on in 1 and it was on 4/9. However, it is suggestive, Lordship, only. Moreover, if I look into the thing, Lordship, his phone is also found. And moreover, dagger is also
His presence is established.
presence is established, Lordship.
Dagger was also found, and my lord, the medical, why medical is done, the letter is because of the ignorance. They are influential people, they are now
Otherwise-
roaming around, and please show them, not arrest.
I only want to focus on one thing, Lordship. If he has all their relationship, then why he came up with a dagger, Lordship?
My lord, that
He should
dagger
not
we
have.
don't mind, my lord. He actually bought it from the, my lord, kitchen, my lord. My lord, there was the altar, my lord, bought it from her own kitchen. Children were there, they were not shouting.
Hmm.
Medical report, my lord, there is nothing, my
All right, pass over the CD.
Lordship.
regarding 20, my lord, there is no allegation. Oblige your lord.
Any information if charge sheet has been submitted in this case?
Charge submitted also.
Submitted. Received.
Charge message is right, CS number 13/25 dated 21/2/25.
And this is item?
59.
Let's call for the scan copy then if, since nobody is appearing.
What?
None appears for the petitioner. It is submitted that CS has been submitted wide.
White CS number 13/25 dated 21/02/2025.
Call for the scan copy of the CCR along with CD. List again on. Give it.
Sorry, Kumar, is it?
My lord, sorry, my lord, I was not there on time, my lord. The items, my lord, in the cause list, they pertain to the same case diary, my lord. With all respect and folded hands, my lord. Namagra. 65, 66, and 67, my lord.
Yes.
8 to 69. This matter, with all respect and folded hands, my lord, Lordship may have dealt with, my lord. Here, what has happened, my lord? My lord, Bamuni Moidan, my lord, Durga Puja, my lord. The entire fracas started possibly, it may not have been written in so many words, my lord, regarding singing a song of Jugin Garg or not, my lord, and fight between, my lord, rather to be precise, my lord, drunken brawl, my lord. And if I come to the FIR, Lord, I'd be very cryptic, my lord. Lordship may kindly have a look at page 14, my lord. Page 14. Very cryptic FIR, my lord. If it is read in totality, my lord, there are specific allegations against, my lord, Sujit Sarkar, Shankar Rao, and Ratul Bora, my lord. And therein also one thing is stated, my lord, that the entire fracas took place amongst around 40 people, my lord. So there has to be, my lord, if all people participated, my lord, there has to be at least 40 injuries, my lord.
What is your name?
Exactly, my lord. My name is not there in the FIR, my lord. We are 2 persons, my lord. And why we have been arrested? One is the president of the Puja committee, my lord. Can you see, my lord? age-wise, my lord, drunken brawl between youths, my lord. And one is the president of the puja committee, another is also an office bearer who got the electricity connection, my lord, from the electricity, my lord, because he works with the railways, my lord. 37 days in custody. At the place of occurrence, in the office they were there, my lord, but at the place of occurrence, at the time of occurrence, my lord, with all respect, my lord, the fracas part of it, my lord, these two were not there. And one application that has not come on, one Pujari, my lord, he was involved. Of course, that application is not before your lordships today, my lord. These two were not present at the place of occurrence at the time. I am not meaning, my lord, Puja, they were there, my lord. Have I made my position clear, my lord? But at the place of occurrence, meaning thereby where the fracas took place, my lord, fighting with one another, my lord, drunken brawl, we are not there, my lord. And kindly see, one aspect is apparent, my lord. The forwarding report, they were arrested, and why they were arrested, all Puja members were arrested, my lord. Puja committee members, my lord. And kindly see, my lord, 3 persons who participated in the alleged offense of, my lord, fracas, my lord, thereafter it turned into 103 DNS, my lord. Lordship, may kindly have a look at page 25. That will clarify everything, my lord. Our non-presence possibly, my lord. Grounds of arrest, my lord. My lord, with all respect and folded hands, my lord. 1. Grounds of arrest. The arrested accused persons, serial number 4 to 6 are the prime FIR named accused. Prime FIR named accused, my lord. Then I turned to the, my lord, 4, 5, and 6, my lord, that occurs at, with all respect, my lord, 28, my lord. 28, my lord. 4 is Ratul Bora. He is not the one of the applicants here. Sujit Sarkar, he is not one of the applicants here. And Shankar Kumar, he is not one of the applicants here. And we are not taken into police custody. That is apparent from reading page 16, my lord. Because 3 persons were taken into police custody out of all the arrested accused persons produced on day 1, inclusive of Puja committee members. 3 persons were taken into police custody because of their involvement, possibly, my lord. That occurs at page 16. Hiju Hill, Vishal Chakraborty, and Boson Baspor, my lord. That occurs at page 16. Others were just remanded to police custody, and today is the 38th day we are in jail.
Yes, PP.
Lordship, as per the postmortem report, multiple injuries are there, Lordship. Postmortem report.
You know, injury part we understand.
Lordship,
We are on
but
the involvement part.
Involvement part. Gopal Dasan, name of Gopal Das is the item number 60.
65 is Gopal Das and another Raju something.
65 Gopal Das name is going to the statement of the witnesses. I have not found his name in the.
What about Raju?
Raju Das, yes, the statement of the witness.
Raju Datta.
He was there, but as per the statement of the witnesses who assault them, they have not clearly indicated. There are several persons who there, Lordships. And
All
also,
right, let us take care of them first.
yes,
You have the earlier order. Any previous order I have passed?
Yes, my lord. One rejected, one lordship allowed, my lord. That is at my lord, with all respect. I'm
2 are rejected, I think.
Three-
One was allowed.
what number to put you negi.
Montes,
Bail has been granted in PA number, my lord.
Polica and other persons.
3286,
Take a note of that.
madam.
It's
3286, BA number 3286/25.
Dated
Dated 7/11, my lord.
Okay, next case.
Next, my lord. Mar kita ekita nai na, ajir kita to present nai.
Take out that order.
Etu konto. Etu konto. My lord, he is also exactly, my lord, same footing, present, but not present at the place of occurrence. He is the cultural secretary of the
Yes,
Puja
Roman
committee.
Dakwa.
Roman Dakwa, Roman against Roman Dakwa, Lordship. As per the statement of the witnesses,
Roman
he was,
Dakwa no.
everybody was shown
Etu
in the Roman was place of the occurrence, Lordship. But he assaulted or not, that is not reflected in the case.
No, Roman Dakwa is another applicant, my lord. His applicant is Shubhendu. Roman Dakwa negi. Oh, I'm sorry. He is Roman Dakwa, my lord. Roman Dakwa is a teacher, my lord. He was taking tuition, my lord. Thereafter, by a bike he was coming. Then the fracas were taking place. He is a witness from a distance, my lord, that they were fighting with one another, my lord. I never participated. and categorical statement, my lord. I do not know what is there in the diary, my lord. Wedding is there, my lord. Those are, of course, my lord, nothing to do with the factual metrics of the case, my lord. Wedding of his sister, my lord. In the assault, he did not take place as per. মারপিটত আছে না আপনি কৈ দিও
কৈছো তাকে
আরে আছে যদি কক নাই যদি নহয়
Subhendu Shekhar Roy, he was present at the place of occurrence, but as per the statement of the witnesses, উক্ত কলেজৰ এম শংকৰ ৰয়, সুজিত, ৰাতুল বৰা, অৰুণ চক্ৰৱৰ্তী, চন্দু, সৌভিক শৰ্মা, ৰাজা আৰু বহুত আছিলে, কিন্তু ভিৰটো ইমান বেছি হৈ গৈছিলে, কোনে মাৰিলে মই ক'ব নোৱাৰিম। Subhendu Shekhar Roy is not sitting in Subhendu Shekhar Roy. But someone saying that Subhendu Shekhar was present on the place of occurrence.
So all of them are basically on the same footing.
Same footing, Lord.
Okay, 65, 66, 67, we are done. We'll pass orders.
My
later.
lord, should we place the order, my lord, earlier order, my lord, with all respect, my lord.
Completed.